In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot. Anchor links are a great way to help visitors quickly jump to specific sections on a page, like a particular FAQ, feature description, or pricing section. In HubSpot, this is done using anchors within rich text modules, and then linking buttons or text to those anchors. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the page you want to work on inside the HubSpot editor. Once the page is open, locate the section where you want visitors to land when they click a link or button. This needs to be inside a rich text module. You can either find an existing rich text module or add a new one to the page. Click to select that rich text module. In the text toolbar that appears, look for the Insert option. From the Insert menu, choose Anchor. You'll now be asked to give your anchor a name. The name must start with a letter, and it can only include letters, numbers, hyphens, underscores, colons, and periods. If you want to separate multiple words, use hyphens instead of spaces. When you are happy with the name, click Insert to create the anchor. This anchor is now your target location. Next, you need something that links to this anchor, such as a button or a piece of text. For this example, we'll turn a piece of text into a link. Find or add another rich text module where you want the link to appear. Type the text you want to turn into a link, or select existing text. Highlight that text, then click the link icon in the text toolbar. In the link options, change the link type to anchor. You'll see a drop-down where you can select from the anchors available on the page. Choose the anchor name you just created, then click Insert. Now, when a visitor clicks that text, they'll jump directly to the anchored section. To manage an anchor you've already added, click the rich text module that contains it. You'll see the anchor marker inside the text area. You can simply drag and drop this anchor to reposition it anywhere within that same rich text module, which is useful if you adjust your layout later. When the anchor is selected, you'll see two icons. The pencil icon lets you edit the anchor's name. The trash icon removes the anchor entirely. Use these tools to keep your anchors organized and accurate as your content evolves. And that's it. You now know how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot.